You think 6, I think 9. Just because you're right doesn't mean I'm wrong. You just haven't seen life from my position. What a beautiful message. We give support and in the end we take it back. There's always consequences to your actions, so do the right one. This is very deep. Success is not always what it seems. It's often very hard to reach your destination. Don't ask for help. Stop thinking about it. Just start doing and you'll achieve everything. Very sad reality. What nature is hiding to gift us, and what are we doing with it? Success is not always what you see, there's often more than that.